Welcome to MarineMax at Silver Spring Marine, Wakefield, Rhode Island. My name is Keith Abel, and I'd like to introduce you to a wonderful 190 SPX Sea Ray 2019. These boats are incredible for the cruising family, water sports, occasional fishing, beaching the boat. These boats are so universal, so much fun. This boat's powered with a 150 horsepower 4-stroke Mercury engine. It does have a 4-step ladder and equipped with a ski tow bar. As we enter the boat, you'll see an enormous sun pad with storage underneath. Captain's seat, nice lounger over here. You have plenty of storage in the floor underneath the port side console. And then as we make our way forward to the bow, a very plush handrails on either side, great sound system, nice windshield, and also a sun top. For more information on the 190 SPX Sea Ray 2019, please call Keith Abel at 203-996-2599. Thank you, and see you on the water.